The windy day.
Hamilton, it's not windy enough.
Oh, there'll be a breeze. I just know it. Kites don't need very much wind.
Yes, but they need something. Come on, let's do something else.
I found it! I'm sure a breeze will come along. Now, hold this up and I'll run. Hold it up higher! Oh, boy.
See, I told you. Oh, there is no wind.
Oh, Beast, I feel something. Try again. I'm ready.
Okay.
I told you there was a breeze coming. Wow! Yippee!
Careful, Hamilton.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's getting very windy.
We better reel it in. Uh-oh! Oh, no!
Oh, oh.
Oh, no!
It's gone.
Oh. My box!
Got it.
Oh, thank you, Beast.
Wow, it sure is windy today.
It sure is.
Where can we go to get out of this wind?
Maybe we can find somewhere on the map.
Good idea, Maggie.
Ah! Hurry, we have to catch it. I've got it! No, I don't. Oh. Hamilton, please, come on, it's getting away.
Where did it go, Maggie?
There it is. Come on.
I've got it! Whee! Oh, no, I don't! Oh, I almost had it.
It's this wind.
There it is. Quick, get on.
Hurry, Beast. No, no, no. It's gone. What if we never find it?
We'll find it, Maggie.
I'm not sure which way to go without the map.
We can still find our way around.
What if we get lost looking for it?
We know how to get to Cheesetown, and that's in the same direction as the wind.
Let's ask Rudy if he's seen the map.
Good idea, Beast.
Thank you.
Come on, Maggie. We'll find it.
Hi, Rudy.
Hi, guys.
Have you seen Maggie's map?
No, why?
It blew away.
Oh no, I haven't seen it.
Oh, where could it be?
I'm sorry, Maggie.
It's okay, Rudy. It's not anyone's fault. Sometimes things get lost.
We better keep looking.
Thanks anyway, Rudy.
Okay, good luck.
There's no sign of it anywhere.
Can we make another map, Maggie?
I'll never remember everything that was on it. It was drawn on a piece of paper that my dad gave me. It's very special.
Hamilton, isn't that your kite up there?
Oh, yes, it is. Hoo-wee!
And look at that bird's nest there. Why does it look so strange?
It's the map!
Hello there? You have our friend's map.
I don't think he wants you to take it, Hamilton.
I can see that, Beast.
Why don't you trade the kite for the map?
Good idea, Beast.
Thank you.
Oh, dear. Okay, I can do this. Here you go.
Yay!
Thank you for getting my map back, Hamilton.
I'm so happy we found it.
Me too.
Me 3. I'm hungry. Can we go home now?
Of course. And if we get lost, I can always check my map. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Goodbye.